Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to track PTO balances in Gusto. Wondering how much vacation time your team has left? Gusto makes it super easy to track PTO balances both for you and your employees. Now let's walk through how it works. Step 1, log into your Gusto account. Now head to gusto.com and log in using your admin or manager credentials. Once you're in, you want to click the time tools from the left hand menu and then select time off. Step 2, view employees PTO balances. Now once you click time off, you're gonna see a list of all employees and their current PTO balances. This includes time earned, time used, and how much is still available. So just click on an employee's name for a detailed view of their time off history, including pending request, approved time, and carryovers if applicable. Step 3, filter or sort. Now you can use filter to view balances by department, roles, or time off types like vacation, sick leaves, or personal days. Now you can also sort the list alphabetically or by remaining balance. Step 4, export a PTO report. If you need a hard copy or you want to share PTO data with HR or leadership, just hit the export button to download a report as a CSV or PDF file. Step 5, keep it synced. Now if you're using Gusto's payroll and time tracking together, PTO balances will automatically update when employees request and use time off. No manual updates are required. And that's how you track PTO balances in Gusto. Simple, accurate, and super helpful when it's time to plan coverage. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.